A way to turn any block in Minecraft into a half slab. Hello everybody and welcome to OMG Craft. I'm your host, OMG Chad. This episode is really cool. It shows off a tool in a single command, well kind of like a two commands, that will turn any block into a half slab. But you can go even further by moving that block pixel by pixel all around your Minecraft world, and the hitboxes actually work. So whenever you bump into one of these or walk on top of them, it works just like you expect it to. Let me show it off. So here we are inside of a new world that I just loaded in. You can see there's a cool little village over there. So this is a Minecraft 15W50A snapshot build. So make sure that you are in 15W50A when you start up your world. We're going to start by giving myself a command block. You just use the give command, and then you can use tab to complete the rest. OMG Chad or your username, and then Minecraft command block. And there you go, you have one in your inventory. Place it down, doesn't matter what direction that it is facing. Then we're going to jump inside this command block, paste the command, which is either in the description of this video or the description of the original video, and hit done. Now we need to give ourselves a way to power this, so we're just going to give myself a button, hold down shift, and click onto the command block to place the button. Once you hit it, it creates this structure. Isn't it super cool looking? This will always be south of wherever the command is, so you can hit F3 and you can see the XYZ on that sort of second paragraph. If you go down to the fourth line facing south or west or east, it'll be facing south of the command block. Now there is one more step to do, so don't think that you're finished here. You need to open up your chat and you'll see the Halfcraft mechanics were installed, but you need to do the database. Click that. And this is asking, do you want to open this up in a browser? You'll hit yes, and then in a browser, it will open up another page, and you'll have to copy all of that code, go back into this command block, see where it says insert database. I copied the code off screen here, and now I am pasting it into this command block. I'm going to hit done. Now you go ahead and hit this button, and you see how this half of the structure is empty? Now it is filled, and it says that the Halfcraft module was successfully installed, and that if you have any questions, you can look at that video. And remember that there are some things that having problems in your slabs and stuff, and replace blocks and more custom slabs. I'll get to that in just a second. Now you need the slab tool, and that is by clicking this green slab, this green sign just down here, and there you go. You get the slab tool. We'll come over to this village just to show it off. By the way, that needs to be made in a chunk that will always be loaded. I put it in the spawn chunk, so that should always stay loaded there. So the cool thing is that now you can make things into slabs. Hi, horses. You can change these grass blocks into slabs, and they work. You can walk right over them, just like that. Now, not everything can be made into slabs, so this gravel cannot be, cobblestone can't be. So let me show you a few of the items that can be. Let me first get rid of this, put it over there. You can change any stone, any polished of the ores. Dirt can be changed, any of the colors of wool. You can also change any of the ores, so that includes diamond, stained clay, and then also any of the sorry, I said stained clay, but I meant to say stained glass, and also any of the stained clay as well. So we're gonna go ahead and show this off. I've run out of room. Oh my gosh, horse. Stop dancing and get out of here. I'm trying to do a tutorial here. I want to show off another thing, so we can is that it's actually not making them into slabs like you might think. It's actually just, whoops, raising the block up half a bit. So, oops, I need to click the top of these to make them work. Oh, I was wrong about the stained clay. What was I thinking? Oh my gosh. I keep calling it stained clay. It's just glass. I thought you could do it with glass. Oh, I'm so incorrect. Oh my. So ignore that. I thought that I was right, but I'm wrong. So, maybe it works for the slab? No, this would never work. This would never work, Chad. You're crazy. Yeah, it doesn't work. Okay, ignore what I said about the glass. It took a long time for us to get to that point. But you can see that the blocks are raised, which is really, really cool. It also does a neat little sort of shadow underneath, which I actually like. And that is because you can see the shulker head whenever you place down the... that's a little shulker head. It uses shulker bodies with no AI to create this... box, the hitbox that you walk on top of. So you can actually customize it even more, and they have that built in. All you have to do is throw your egg on top of a block that you want to select, and there you go, it's selected. You can see it has a really cool... that is one dancing horse. You can see how really cool it is when it is selected. And then in your chat, you can just click on these to change it around. You can either erase this, which will place it back down to normal. So if we click erase, there we go, and it erased this block. I had a little bit of finickiness with that. So anyway, it is no longer a one of these slabs. By the way, whenever you hit these to destroy them, they make kind of a funny sound, which I really like. So let's go ahead and select the next one and just show that you can also deselect them if you want. Deselect. There we go, and it's no longer selected. And then I'll go ahead and select it again and show the coolest one, which is nudge, which allows you to move the block in whatever direction you want. So I just moved it 1 pixel north by clicking north. We can move it west if we want. Oh, there it goes. Moving towards that little post. You can also move it up or down. So let's go ahead and move her down here. Now, you will erase the block. If we can see, there's only a few more pixels before it hits the ground. You will erase this and make it not a slab if it touches another non-slab. So you can see now it is erased, and I can go ahead and destroy this block because it's now part of the world. In order to fix that, what you'd have to do is the one underneath it. This is gravel, so it's not going to work like that. But if I make that block underneath it select this, woo, look at that, and then nudge it all the way down, then it will not delete itself because it's touching another one of the blocks, and it has not erased itself. So if you want to use that, you can, and then it's one of these blocks, which is really, really cool. Now you can make some amazing things with this because you can move the blocks all around. It makes it really, really neat. So let me just make something really cool. Get out of here. We will make a I don't know, maybe a couch. And so what I would do, actually, we're going to make this kind of a smaller couch because it is going to take a little while. So we'll choose this, erase that. Go ahead and get rid of that. We're going to make it a chair instead of a couch. So we'll throw this on top. We will nudge this, and we'll nudge it backwards. So I want it to go, if this direction was south, then that would west. I want it to go west. So we're going to push it back there, just like that. We're going to push it down just a bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and place another piece of wool and make that also a thing. Oh, I've selected both. Oh gosh, I don't want to do that. Deselect them. Hopefully this one back here is also deselected. Are you deselected? I hope so. Yeah, there we go. Now you're deselected. And we're going to move this one. We're going to move it down. Oh, shoot. I need to move it past these blocks. Go away, blocks. I don't want you. And we're going to keep moving it down. And then we're going to move it west as well. And we've made kind of a little chair here. Let me look at my handiwork. Oh, my gosh. That is so cool looking. This is really cool looking. That's actually the first time I made this, so. Oh gosh, I screwed that up. Oh, what'd I do? Not exactly sure what I did there. I realized what I did wrong. There was a block back there that was stopping it from happening. But hey, look, I made this cool little chair. I could actually even get rid of that, but you can see some of the Z-share that's going on there. But hey, it looks really cool, and that didn't take me too long. It did. I learned some things along the way, but you can create all sorts of amazing little things, and this does have a correct hitbox, so that's neat as well. So you could create your own sort of systems for stairs or whatever. The other really cool thing is that some blocks which will not work, so let's say this gravel right here, I cannot right now slabify this. You can actually add your own into the game. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all of these, and that's by clicking this module help, and then there is a build a generator, which takes you to a website. So here's a website that it opens up. What you'll do is you'll take whatever block you want, and you could either start typing out, give your user Minecraft colon. This is in Minecraft, and then start to type, and you can auto-complete whatever you want, so you know that you're spelling it correctly or see what blocks are available. You're going to add that in here. You don't need the Minecraft colon prefix, as it says right there. I'm going to use gravel. I don't need any block damage values. And then it's going to generate code down here. So I'm going to copy this and then go back into Minecraft. So now that I'm over here, I'm going to give myself another command block, drop it down, add the code, hit done. Once again, grab a way to power this. Oh, I like the stone buttons so much better than the wooden ones. Not a big deal, actually. And there it creates this extra structure, and you can see that it has a little gravel block on it. Now, if I go back and get my tool, I can go to this gravel, click it, and there we go. Now it has been slabified, which is pretty cool. And now I could actually go over to this village. Here we go, drop down and slabify all of this gravel. You could add nice raised paths, so you have stairs. Whenever there is one of these big steps, there you go. And whoa, this is just weird. So make this look a lot better now. There we go. And then we can slabify this, and look, now we have some gravel stairs. You can see that your imagination is really the limit of what you do with this tool. This was made by Bitcoder with help from a few other friends that you see inside of the mod. In the description below is a link to all of the commands that you need, and also Bitcoder's original video. So go over there, show him some love, leave him a like, maybe subscribe to his channel, whatever you want to do, because he is a really cool guy. Thanks so much for watching this episode of OMG Craft. You can catch future episodes at youtube.com/OMGcraft. Leave a like, leave a comment down below, letting me know what you thought about this episode, and I'll see you next time on OMG Craft. Bye!